In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix this French hinge that's not making complete contact with the track. It's at a point now where the hinge does not stay in contact with the track. Sometimes the hinge just stay open. This hinge was not installed properly. This is what's causing this issue. Let me see if I can try to demonstrate what happened if it go outside of the track. A lot of time, this is what happened because warm and humid air can get inside of the fridge, causing condensation, eventually turn into ice. I recently made a video how the fridge was not cooling, but the freezer was working just fine. It was because of this issue right here, so I have to take care of it. I will leave a link at the top where I use hot water to fix the issue. I'm not sure how this hinge passed quality control because it looked like it's down by half of an inch. I could move the hinge up, but I think I have an idea that is simpler. I had this pen that looks like it's gonna be a perfect fit for this project. I removed the clip, then I cut off the stop section. It fit perfectly inside of the track, but the inside diameter does not fit on top of the hinge, so I had to drill this part out. If you have the same issue and you plan to use those steps to fix the fridge hinge, just find something similar to this or close to it. It should produce the same outcome. This is how it fit inside of the track. It looked like it was made for this. Next, I installed the piece on top of the French hinge section that go inside of the track. I am using a screw to keep it in place. You can also use adhesive. I did not have to pre-drill because there was already a hole in it. I had to modify this piece a few times because at first it was making contact with the top of the track. After removing some material and made the final installation, it's working perfectly. If you have an issue like this, I hope this video is useful. Now the French hinge is fixed, there should be no more condensation inside of the fridge that led to ice buildup. I hope this video was informative. If you like this video, you might enjoy the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.